Welcome back, guys. I've got my buddy Nick behind me.
Well, I'm gonna be behind you.
We're moving a little slow today, but we're gonna be moving nevertheless. So we're back out here at the Frontier. We're gonna get one log done or five. We'll see how we're doing.
Well, we've got 5 on the deck, but I mean, this one's probably this is a hard start log because this is the max yield
Yeah.
of the logs that
these
we've got
logs.
on there. But we're not feeling it this morning. Well,
We're feeling it, guys. We're gonna give you 100% our best effort.
Yep.
We really are. So we got a freshly sharpened Stellite band on that.
Yeah, I was part of that process yesterday.
Yep. Nick got a chance to see
observed it,
the we had some issues with that. Man,
Yeah.
he comes in the United States. He gets sent, he just brought all his issues with him and just threw them out on my lap. So we're sorting all these issues out, and boy, we have sorted a lot of issues out
Yeah, it
recently.
seems like we've had something happen one after another for
For a while.
in quick succession as
Today's going to be beautiful.
well. I hope so.
We're
This is the day.
It's take you work with anybody, you hire somebody, new person. It always takes a while to get into the rhythm, and we rhythm wise mentality we're there,
Oh, yeah.
but with the sawmills and our equipment's not keeping up with us.
Sure.
So I'm blaming the equipment.
I'm blaming me.
All right, guys, we're gonna get doing this. So stick
Yeah.
around. The Frontier's all ready to go.
Yeah.
We're tensioned up.
Yeah. And,
you know what?
Fresh sharp. Yeah, go
I'll
on.
put petrol in there.
Are you going to put petrol in it?
For I said petrol for him.
Yeah. Gas.
All right, guys. We'll be right with you. Oh, wow. Man, guys, those Stellite bands or Stellicut bands are so nice. Boy, is that smooth.
It is.
Yeah, that thing lifted right up. That's okay. It is what it is.
Thank you.
Pieces and so forth.
We'll go on.
We had some good rhythm there, guys. Hopefully it continues like that. It will. That'll do it, guys. We got it all done, and my goal, we're shooting for 1,000 BDF, but tomorrow we're going to take the day off. We're at 727 feet, and I really only need 700 feet to actually skim the whole top of the deck, so that's going to get us there. We probably have 10% or so we got to pick through, and you know, some waste and some waning that I won't use, but you never know. We'll probably use it. We'll use it on something. Maybe some stems and pieces when we cut it off. But
You were already accounting for that anyway, weren't you? That's
yes,
why you were going
that's why I'm
for
going
1,000
board feet.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that you only needed what, 750-ish?
Like 750.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
That's
it went well.
25%.
We had a few hiccups.
Go on, Jerry. Do you want to say what's
No.
going on today?
Well, we had another band break,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know if
Cut.
come on, find that. What is that? Oh, Joe, I got to answer that one. Specific time plan for what?
I don't know. I thought you knew.
No, I don't know either. I don't know what the specific time plan's for.
All right.
All right, so anyhow, guys, we did have those hiccups. We had a band break.
And what kind of band was it, Jerry?
Steady cut.
No, yeah, oh yeah, but you think it was one of the original?
Oh, yes, I do think it's one of the original bands because when we went to break it, it snaps.
It's that brittle, the
It's
snap.
real
door.
brittle one, where the new ones, you can't get them to break like that. You actually have to squeeze them down with a vise or
Give
keep
them back
working,
and forth, yeah.
keep going back for these just one bend and they snap. So I think we had one of the old original ones in the box. Then I had a hiccup, a personal hiccup that I had to go take care of real quick.
Yep.
So Nick got some throttle time on the Hot Rod Frontier OS 27.
Yeah. I didn't know all the controls because that's why I gave it back to you.
Oh,
So
you could have. Yeah,
I
you
didn't
put-
know how
use
to
the
work.
scale.
So I used the scale, and obviously I was just measuring them with the tape, so I knew where I knew where things were at.
And
yeah.
use the manual button to run
Yeah,
it.
I was just putting it up and down. Actually, no, I knew how to press a number and then
Oh,
a
and
go
go
to
to that
kind
one.
of
Yeah, right.
So I
Okay.
knew that one. It's just I couldn't work out the how to space it out.
Right.
But yeah, that was. I mean, obviously, if I was to read the manual or get some tuition,
Yep,
I would have been fine.
that's right.
It's a nice, easy software to use. I think what I do feel though is that because I've got the IntelliSet, that's a little bit more easier on the eye.
You IntelliSet?
Yeah, I think the
Okay.
graphics on it is for
Right.
anyone to like to see, and it's there's buttons there that you can clearly identify and navigate around.
Yeah, and I recognize that on everything is labeled really well.
It's got
and-
really good graphics on
Yeah,
it.
really good graphics.
So the symbols for what you need to do, it's there, and it goes up or it goes down, or you can do equal spacings
Right.
or custom. So yeah,
But guys, that's it for today. So I think we're gonna probably relax for a couple hours.
absolutely. I think you need it, Jerry.
All right, guys. See ya.
See y'all, guys.